So my hands are washed as always. I always wash my hands before every cake decoration. Here I'm just trying to stack my cakes and set them up. I just applied buttercream to the middle of my cake before placing the second one on it so that it can serve as glue to keep it together. Alright, and then I went ahead to crumb coat my cakes. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Alright, drop a comment for me, share this video so it can get to more persons. Alright. This will be the bottom and the plain will be for the top. For this particular cake, I'm trying to create a two-colored cake. So I have my colored buttercream already mixed and set aside. So I went ahead to cover the upper part of my cake with the plain buttercream, and then I covered the bottom part with this colored buttercream. Now you have to be very careful because I wanted that separation kind of like a border, so that's why I made the bottom part a bit bigger. But if you want everything to go together, you can always check out my other videos. I have a video of how to create an ombre effect on a cake, so yeah, you can check out that video, right? I'm just trying to put in all the finishing touches. Anything you can use to decorate your cake for it to stand out is welcome at this point. So I use some red roses and some white roses to give this cake a pop of color. It's to celebrate Mother's Day in church. So yeah, I needed it to be as colorful as it can possibly be, and the color they asked for is red. That's why you can see that there's a touch of red. Now my calligraphy my calligraphy needs to be worked on, but yeah, I'm just trying to write Happy Mother's Day. I didn't print any topper, so I had to write it with my piping nozzle and buttercream. So I just wrote Happy Mother's Day and added some glitters to my cake, and yeah, voila, our cake is ready. Our beautiful Mother's Day cake is ready. So if you want to learn how to make different recipes, different kinds of cakes, this channel is the channel for you. All right, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be dropping videos every week where you'll be learning a thing or two about baking.